This is engine V35A Land Cruiser. Ito po ay gasoline engine with twin turbo. Guess where is the throttle body? Saan yung throttle body dito? Meron pong dalawang air cleaner. Yan, left and right. Ito po ay V6 twin turbo engine, V35A engine. So, nasaan ang throttle body nito? Saan ang throttle body nito? Ayan, Land Cruiser, the Land Cruiser.